Very good. Hi, I'm Rich Macheski, Superintendent of the Troy School District, and I'm here to talk to you about a very important initiative that will be before our voters here in Troy on November 6th. That is our non-homestead millage. Why is this important to the Troy School District? We collect just under $23 million annually for our non-homestead millage. That's about 17% of our budget. Those monies go directly to our general fund to help support things like our students in our classrooms, keeping the lights on. All of those very important resources that go into helping the Troy School District maintain itself as world class. So what do you need to know? If you're a primary homeowner here in Troy, you do not pay this millage. And in fact, you never have. This millage is paid entirely by businesses here in the Troy School District. Secondly, this is not a new tax to the businesses here in Troy. In fact, they've paid the same 18 mills since this went into effect in 1994. We encourage you to familiarize yourself with this ballot measure. Encourage others to come out and vote. And show up at the polls on November 6th.